Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this Smokey graphic cut crease liner look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. This look is all about the blue Smokey liner. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer onto my lid to even out the skin tone. And then I'm going to set it with the Nabla Cosmetics Close Up Setting Powder in the shade Medium. For this look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills x Alyssa Edwards palette, and the first shade I used was the Supreme, and I applied this into the crease. I feel like this step was pretty useless, so I don't know, if you decide to recreate this look, you could probably skip this step. Now this next step you definitely don't want to skip. For the Smokey liner, I'm first going to go in and map out the shape using the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in number 67. And then I'm going to add Dream It from the palette, which is the most beautiful matte royal blue shade ever. It's so pretty. I did the liner on both my eyes before I went in with the shadow. And if I were to do this again, I would have done one eye at a time because obviously the liner sets and it's going to be harder to blend out. I filmed this look at like 6 AM before work, so I was pretty stressed, and I think I was still sleeping a little bit because I wasn't really thinking. Now I felt like I wanted a little bit of a better transition, so I went in and I blended out the edges with a little bit of Texas Made from the palette, and I really like how it came out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Overachiever concealer again, but this time on a small liner brush, and I'm gonna clean up the inner part of the liner, if that makes sense. And then I'm also gonna apply it all over the lid and then set it with the face powder I used earlier. Here you can really see the difference between the eye with concealer and the eye without concealer. It just looks so much cleaner and smoother and sharper, and that's what we want. For my inner corners, I'm now going to go in and highlight with headliner, which is a matte white shadow. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara and line my upper lash line with a Serial Liner from Nabla Cosmetics before applying my false lashes. For the cheeks, I'm first going to apply some blush, and today I'm using the blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Peachy Love. And then for highlight, I'm first going to apply the Fenty Matchstick in Trippin, and then the Nabla Cosmetics Glow Trip highlight that has a nice pink shift. The eyes are totally giving me 60s vibes, so for lips, I decided to go really light. So I'm first applying a little bit of the Nabla lip liner in Closer, and then I'm adding the Marc Jacobs lipstick in Sonic Truth on top, and that's it for this look. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!